In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Confluence for beginners. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create your first space, build pages, organize information, and collaborate with your team. Start by opening Confluence in your web browser and signing in to your account. From the dashboard, click Spaces and select Create Space. Choose a suitable space type, give it a clear name, and click Create. Your space will act as the main workspace for your team or project. Once your space is ready, open Space Settings if you'd like to customize the icon, description, or sidebar shortcuts. You can always update these settings later as your workspace grows. Next, click the Create button to add your first page. Give the page a descriptive title, then start adding your content. Use headings, bullet lists, images, and tables to organize information and make your pages easy to read. If you need to track information, insert a table by typing Table or selecting the Table option from the toolbar. Tables are useful for meeting notes, project plans, task lists, and documentation. To assign work to teammates, create a task by typing followed by a space, then mention a team member using the @ symbol. You can also add due dates to help everyone stay on schedule. When you're finished editing, click Publish to share your page with your team. As your projects grow, you can always edit pages, add child pages, organize content into a clear hierarchy, and collaborate with comments and mentions. That's how to use Confluence for beginners. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.